Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can find free items in the Roblox Marketplace so you can expand your avatar collection without spending any Robux. So once you're on your Roblox account, what you will do is you will go to the Marketplace, which is right here, and just go ahead and click that. And what you will do is you will go to Filters or Sort By, which is right here, and then you will click Price Low to High, and then click Apply. And now that you're here, you can just actually browse through the items marked free. So this right here, they are all free as you can see. And then you will just have to click the item that you like, and then you will just have to select um basically um get or add to inventory. So it really depends on your layout. So yeah, that's basically just how you get free items on Roblox, and that item will now appear in your inventory after adding them or getting them, and they will be ready to use. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.